Hey guys, it's me, and today we're checking out something that usually doesn't get the spotlight in a home theater or professional setup, but honestly, it can completely change your viewing experience, a high-end projection screen. We're talking about the Draper Ultimate Access XT1000E electric projection screen. Now, this isn't your typical classroom pull-down. This is a big, motorized, ceiling recessed screen designed for people who are serious about visuals. Let's start with size. This is a massive 162.5-inch screen with a 16:10 aspect ratio. That's huge. We're talking enough to make your living room feel like a full-fledged cinema or your boardroom feel like a professional presentation space. And because it's 16:10, it's incredibly versatile, whether you're watching films, gaming, giving presentations, or projecting high-resolution content. What sets this screen apart is that it's motorized and designed to be hidden when not in use. With just the push of a button, it comes down smoothly from the ceiling and retracts silently back into its housing. That's a big deal because it keeps your space clean and uncluttered. No dangling wires, no awkward screen boxes sticking out. It's integrated into your ceiling like it was always meant to be there. The build quality is immediately noticeable. Draper uses a steel housing that feels durable and premium. The motor itself is designed for quiet and reliable operation, so you're not getting that annoying buzzing sound that cheap screens often make. You get smooth motion, solid construction, and a screen that's built to last for years. Now, let's talk about the material. This screen uses Matt White XT1000E fabric, which is optimized for consistent light reflection. With a gain of 1.0, it ensures that the brightness is even across the entire surface. That means whether you're sitting front and center or off to the side, the image you see stays uniform, no washed-out areas, no hot spots. For professional presentations, teaching, or a cinematic experience, that consistency is critical. The quality of the image on this screen is impressive. Colors look vibrant and accurate, whites are crisp, and blacks have depth. It's not just a blank white canvas, it's a medium designed to let your projector shine. Compared to projecting onto a wall or a cheaper screen, you can immediately tell the difference. Shadows, uneven lighting, or texture on walls can ruin an image, but this screen eliminates all of that. Installation is surprisingly straightforward, especially considering the size. Draper designed the Ultimate Access XLE with professionals in mind, including a system that simplifies ceiling recessed installation. Once installed, it's seamlessly integrated. The ceiling panel opens when the screen comes down and closes when it retracts, leaving a flush, polished appearance. You get a high-end screen experience without the bulky look of older motorized screens. Who's the screen for? If you're building a dedicated home theater and want the ultimate viewing experience, this is worth considering. If you're outfitting a conference room or boardroom, it's a professional-grade solution that looks clean and performs consistently. And if you need a screen for a large audience, in lecture halls, auditoriums, or similar spaces, the size, quality, and ease of use make it a smart choice. It's worth noting that this isn't a budget option, but it's not trying to be. The Draper Ultimate Access XLE307 is for people who value durability, design, and performance. It's the buy once, enjoy for years kind of product. The motor is reliable, the fabric is designed for high-quality projections, and the whole system integrates into your ceiling for a modern, professional look. In short, the Draper Ultimate Access XLE307 electric projection screen is a combination of size, precision, and smooth operation. It's designed for anyone who wants the highest quality projection experience without compromise. Big, elegant, and functional, this screen lets your projector do what it was meant to do, deliver stunning visuals. And as always, hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Draper Ultimate Access XLE307 electric projection screen, Matt White XT1000E, 162.5-inch, then check out the link in the description below.